Hey guys, it is Saknilap in the Saknilap studios again, and here is the last shape that you're going to be working on this week. So here is your triangular prism. Okay, triangular prism is a prism. Okay, it's got triangle, and the biggest difference here is that your triangles are congruent, but it has three rectangles, and there's no apex. That's why it's not a pyramid, okay? Triangular prism. It looks a lot like a tent, okay? Last week we learned about what the net is gonna look like. And this is our attempt at drawing the prism like so, okay? Let's just think about how to get the surface area of this prism. Well, if this is the net for this surface area, for this prism, well, then we have two triangles, and we have 1, 2, 3 rectangles. Now there's the front rectangle, there's the back rectangle, and the bottom rectangle. I know it's hard to see on this drawing, but here, okay, front, back, bottom rectangle. So in this case, because we have a isosceles triangle, okay, we know that these rectangles are all going to be the same. If you have an equilateral triangle, all the rectangles are going to be the same. If you had a different kind of triangle, like say a scalene or even a right triangle, these will not be the same. But in this case, and all I'm going to be asking you to do is to be doing a triangular prism with congruent triangles and congruent rectangles. So let's look at how to label this. Well, just like we were doing with others, if this is 4, then this is 4, and this is 4, and this is 4. If this is 3, then this is 3. Well, guess what? If this folds to this, and this folds to this, then this is 3, and this is 3, and this is 3, and this is 3. It has to, or else the shape would not close up. Okay? If they were different sizes, this shape would not fold up nice and neat like this. But guess what? They do. And there's no gaps. So in order to make this net work and make a three-dimensional shape known as a triangular prism, this and this have to match the triangles, the length of the triangles. So now all we have to do is find the area of 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. So let's take a look. If this rectangle is 4 times 3, base times height, that's 12. So that rectangle's 12, and that rectangle's 12. So our rectangles are 1, 2, 3 times 12. So that is 36. So now our triangles, let's figure this out. Well, our triangles have a base of 2 or 3 and a height of 2. So we know that the formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Well, our base is 3, our height is 2, so that's 3 times 2, which is 6 divided by 2. So the area of each one of these triangles is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this one is 3 as well. So the area of our triangles is 3 plus 3, which is 6. So now all we have to do is add up our parts. 36 plus 6. 36 plus 6 is 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. There you go. So 36 plus 6 equals 42. So this one has an area of 42 square units. All right, so I'm going to erase this, and I'm going to draw the next net that you're going to see in today's classwork. So take a look at this. Check this one, all right? They're not going to fold the net out for you, okay? They are going to give you the solid shape, and you need to figure out how this will work. Okay, so they give you something like, I don't know, 3, I don't know, let's make this something crazy, 4, and let's make this 10. Well, if this is 10, then this is 10. Okay, so in this case, if this is 3, then this has to be 3. And this has to be 3. These are this is an equilateral triangle. So 3, 3, and 3. So if this is 3, then this is 3 as well. So 10 times 3 is 30. And just like the last one, how many rectangles were there? 3. So 30 times 3 is 90. So let's now find the area of the two triangles. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. But there's 2 of them. 6 times 2 is 12. So the surface area of this triangular prism, is 90 plus 12, which is 102 square units. Now they're going to give you some scary decimals. No difference, guys. It is, in fact, just as easy as long as you're using the calculator. All right, so if you have any questions on this and you are getting to this before the math review, please feel free to bring any questions to math review and I'd be happy to go through it. All right, good luck, guys. Have fun. Bye.